Because you're detained for shoplifting. Go over there.
I wasn't even. I just paid for it. What the hell? Pour it out. Pour it out. There's nothing in there.
Oh, okay.
I already paid for that.
No, she paid for that. That's the only thing she paid for.
I will pay with cash.
You didn't have to come with this.
The EBT wouldn't go through. That's the only reason. I will pay the cash. Y'all give me a hug because they don't like black people. Give me a hug.
No, you should be embarrassed because you're acting like a shitty parent.
I'm about to resist. At this point.
3 stories, 2 felonies, 1 body camera that contradicts every word. A Florida mother walked into a Walmart with 2 young children and walked out facing more than 10 years in state prison. What follows is a focused legal analysis of the constitutional and statutory framework that governs every action visible on this body camera.
Hey, police, go with them. You're not resisting them. Get in the office.
I guess come on.
Your ID?
I don't have it on me. It's in the car. And I don't even
take
have
the bag off from me. Take the bag off.
For what?
Take the bag off.
What are you doing?
Put your hands behind your back.
For what?
Stop. Listen, you're
He's
going to catch more charges.
He's putting my hands behind my back. I don't know, bro.
Stop.
They're embarrassing me.
Stop.
Look at my kids, please, because they're embarrassing me. I didn't do anything.
Sit down. Sit down. You're going to jail.
For what?
You resisted me and them. Sit down.
I didn't resist
Sit
anybody.
down.
What are you talking
Shut
about?
Up.
I didn't even do anything to resist anything. What the hell? Pour it out. Pour it out. There's nothing in there.
Oh, okay.
I already paid for that.
No, she paid for that. That's the only thing she paid for.
Call the people that are in
I don't care.
Store,
Sit down.
My kids can't
Sit
be
down.
in here with them. With us.
Sit down.
Literally, she's
Sit
crying.
down.
Answer
Sit
the phone.
down. You're doing this. You're acting a fool in front of them.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are. Shut up. Shut up.
We're on the grocery side by the wine. Screaming.
Nobody's coming in here.
They're pushing me. Come get my kids. They're doing crazy shit to me, man. They're doing crazy shit to me right now. Y'all give me a hug because they don't like black people. Give me a hug.
No, you should be embarrassed because you're acting like a shitty parent.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are. You're stealing in front of your kids and you're going to jail.
That's what you paid for only. That. You didn't pay for any of this. I paid for the stuff under here.
I will get my credit card out and pay for everything right now if you want me to do that. But can you please not make my kids stand right here? Like, I promise to God, I will do that. If that's the issue. Like, please don't let them stand right here. I will pay with cash.
You didn't have to come with this.
The EBT wouldn't go through. That's the only reason. I will pay the cash if that's the issue. The EBT did not go through. It wasn't swiped because it broke or something.
When the swipe, there was no cashier in there.
That's... Don't cry. It's okay. I'm on the grocery side in the door next to the thing, the front door. No, you're not at the right door. We don't hear anything right here. And I thought that was in the car. I swear to God. I did not grab you, bro.
I have you on video right here, grabbing my arm. You even cut my finger.
You pushed me.
I did not touch you.
Bro, yes you did. Bring the camera up.
Right here. You grabbed my arm and I never once touched you.
And you pushed me just right there.
Never once touched you. My hands were on my phone and on the car.
Can you take them outside, please?
172, I'm 1015.
Or 1015, you're going to be on the video here.
Thank you. Okay, it's okay.
We're not going to keep talking.
What do you mean?
I'm taking this off of you because we're not going to have somebody on the phone while you're under arrest.
You're not gonna do what? You're not gonna do what? I'm sorry?
You're not talking to anybody.
County dispatch ran the tag and verified.
Why are you acting like that towards me? Like I did something aggressive. I didn't do anything
You are.
aggressive.
You're resisting.
I didn't resist anything.
Okay, bullshit.
What did I
It's
resist?
all on camera.
What did I resist?
Okay. We're going to play stupid.
What did I resist though?
I'm done talking.
Let me know what I
You're just
resisted.
going to jail. It's okay? That's all you need
What
to
did
know.
I resist?
Okay.
If you want me to pay the cash money, I can pay cash instead
You're
of
not paying
EBT.
nothing because you had the chance to do it and you didn't.
I didn't.
Yeah.
The EBT wouldn't go through.
Cool. And so you walked out of the store with all their
Can I get her car keys real fast?
Excuse me?
Can I get the car keys real fast?
You got your ID on you?
Or car
Sit down.
For her car keys?
Sit down.
No.
Sit down.
Because I paid for
All right, well,
No, I just need her
I'm not
keys,
releasing any property to you unless
You're
I
gonna
have
do
your
what the
ID.
f they're asking.
Hold on, wait. Do
Sit
you
down.
Because you're pissing me off. At this point, I'm about to resist. At this point,
And
I'm
you're going to
going
get
to jail
thrown on the
anyway.
ground. Sit
Throw me on the ground.
Sit down. Sit down.
Throw me on the ground. Throw me on the ground. Throw me on the ground.
Sit down.
They're choking me! They're choking me!
I got video.
Hey, send me another unit.
Ain't no one choking me.
He just put his hand around my throat!
You just, now you
He
just,
just put his hand around my throat! Are you serious?
We have cameras all over.
So pull it up then! He just put his hand around my throat!
Kill it.
No! He just put his hand around my throat! What is your name?
Choking you.
What is your name?
you just battered a law enforcement
I
out.
didn't do anything.
Yeah, you just charged at me and you
I
told
stood
me.
up like this.
Yeah, now you're getting in my face again.
You're taking
Sit
me to jail
down.
anyway.
She's being traumatized fully.
You're taking me to jail anyway. I don't live in Florida anyway.
So
You think
you're
I care?
taking.
I don't care.
Let me
I don't
understand
live
this.
here.
Hey, let me understand this. You're going to jail anyway, so add more crimes. Is that what you're doing?
I'm going to
You're
jail
gonna be
anyway.
more-
You're going to
you're
be a bitch anyway. You're being a bitch since you walked up to me because I didn't resist anything.
You resisted
You've been
them,
a
walked away.
I didn't
Then
resist
you resisted
anything.
me. Yes, you
I didn't
did.
resist anything with
Okay.
you.
Okay.
You said police. I turned around. Straight up. I did.
Yeah, and then when I put you in handcuffs, you pulled away. You
No,
finished
I
up.
did not.
Sure.
We were already in this
Sit
room.
down. Sit down.
I didn't have to walk in this room.
Okay. Sit down.
What do you mean?
Shut the f up and sit down.
Don't tell me to shut
Sit
the
down.
f up.
Sit down. Sit down.
Kill me.
All right.
Kill me. Kill me. Kill me.
I have
Watch
kids
out.
crying. I just need.
Oh, Lord. You're not gonna let me stand up? Bro, let me stand up,
No.
bro!
Then stand up and stop dead weighting yourself.
Shut the f up, cause you racist or something, bro. You aggressing me the whole
Let's
time.
go.
Calm down.
Record everything.
They're all racist.
Record everything.
Calm down.
Get in the car.
Did you record him dragging me
Get
on
in
the
the
floor?
car. Get in the car. Cool. Come record this. Yeah. Come record her resisting.
Cause you talking to you doing crazy ass to me.
Stop kicking me.
Oh, stop pushing me then.
Get in the car.
Let me get in. You're an asshole, racist ass bitch. That's what you are.
I think you're racist.
No, you are. Cause I didn't do anything until you aggressively handed me.
Okay.
They didn't do nothing until you aggressively handed
And
me.
then you kicked me in the face.
Nothing. I didn't kick you.
Okay.
She was hitting me and pulling me and sliding me on the ground. What do you mean?
Yeah, because you dead weighted. You're resisting
Are you
again.
serious?
Yep. Okay.
What is your name and badge number?
It'll be on your arrest report. Is there a video of her resisting? Was there one right there by my cruiser?
That's what he's looking at now. Look for
Okay.
now. Good chunk out of my finger.
Yeah, she kicked me when I got her out in the car. You okay?
Yeah, just cut me.
Where is it at?
Right here.
I'll have to take a picture. What did she do? How did that happen?
She, like, at this point right here, where I'm right here, I have a hold of the buggy, and then she grabs a hold of my wrist, and when she does that, my finger gets sliced by the buggy.
Under the Fourth Amendment, a warrantless arrest in a public place is constitutionally permissible whenever an officer has probable cause to believe a crime has been committed. The Supreme Court confirmed this in Atwater v. City of Lago Vista, decided in 2001, holding that custodial arrest is permitted even for minor criminal offenses. Florida codifies this authority in Statute Section 901.15. The retail theft framework appears in Florida Statutes Section 8:12.014 and Section 8:12.015. Concealment of merchandise combined with passing the final point of sale satisfies the intent to deprive element. Offering to pay after apprehension does not negate the offense. Intent is fixed at the moment of unlawful taking. Florida draws a sharp line between two resisting offenses. Section 843.02, resisting without violence, is a first-degree misdemeanor and requires only obstruction of an officer's lawful duty. Pulling away during a lawful arrest is sufficient. Section 843.01, resisting with violence, is a third-degree felony carrying up to 5 years in state prison. The Florida Supreme Court, held in State v. Espinoza, decided in 1996 that the violence threshold is low. Any physical force directed at an officer during lawful arrest qualifies. Battery on a law enforcement officer is governed by Florida Statutes Section 784.07. Simple battery, ordinarily a first-degree misdemeanor, is reclassified upward to a third-degree felony when the victim is an officer engaged in lawful duty. The statute does not require serious injury. Any unwanted touching capable of causing harm satisfies the element. Use of force is judged under Graham v. Connor, decided in 1989. The Supreme Court adopted an objective reasonableness standard, evaluated from the perspective of a reasonable officer on the scene. The 3 Graham factors are severity of the offense, immediate threat posed by the subject, and active resistance or flight. On this footage, all 3 factors weigh in favor of the force employed. The offense had escalated to a felony in progress. The subject announced her intent to resist on camera, and her physical conduct met the legal definition of active resistance. The choking allegation deserves specific legal treatment. Under Florida law, a false report against an officer can itself be charged. More importantly, body-worn camera footage is admissible direct evidence under the rules governing recorded statements. When the camera contradicts the allegation collapses, and with it, the credibility of every other claim made by the same speaker.
But yeah, it's pretty good. Stings like a mother. Good job, man.
Yeah, no, I don't understand. Like, she's like, get my kids out of here so she can act a fool even more.
Well, they her kids could go on it when she opened the door and said, "They're my kids." Yeah.
You can say it if she ain't gonna be listening. She's hollering.
Oh, and that's right there. That's what I'll do. If she wants to keep recording, we can trespass her too.
Let me roll down the window so you can just tell her not welcome back on the property.
So you're not going to be allowed back when you want.
About you telling me nothing. I don't care.
You've been trespassed.
I don't give a fuck.
So we're gonna. So
Do you want me to picture
can
that?
you just go ahead and just refresh my mind?
Okay.
So she
was at
tried
the
to pay with the EBT.
No. So she was at the self-check.
Yeah.
She scanned stuff. She was concealing stuff under the bags.
Okay.
She had the cancel it. They went to a register where she only paid for the Dr. Pepper and then walked out.
Okay.
And when I was over there, she grabbed my arm and.
Can I take a picture of your?
Of course, it's raining before I have to go home.
She grabbed this arm.
Yeah, she grabbed this arm and pushed down. I got video of it.
When a parent is arrested in the presence of minor children, Florida Statute Section 827.03 on child neglect may be implicated, and the Department of Children and Families typically receives a referral. The duty here runs to the children, not to the convenience of the adults. The arresting officer earns a B-. Lawful arrest, proportionate force, room for improvement on de-escalation language, and child welfare coordination. The subject earns an F. 3 contradictory accounts, a discredited choking allegation, an announced intent to resist, and a battery on the arresting officer, all turning a recoverable misdemeanor into a 5-charge felony case. 3 lessons. First, the moment a stop becomes lawful, compliance is the only legal path forward. Argument is for the courtroom. Second, body cameras protect the truthful and expose the false with equal force, regardless of which side wears the uniform. Third, children present at any encounter are witnesses, not shields. Their welfare becomes the system's concern long after the cuffs come off. Let us know in the comments which interactions or legal topics you would like analyzed next. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more content on police court interactions.